So let's get started. So solve this question again. Actually, I have discussed this question in morning class, but there I made a slightly mistake. Okay, so that's why I'm doing this question again. So just try one more time so that you guys can get the correct answer. Take 1 minute and try to interact with me whenever I will made any small mistake like forget number kind of. So correct me in between the class. After that, whenever the class will end, then I realize, oh damn, I made this silly mistake over there. Yeah, sure. Because try to solve it.
-2 बताए थे सुबह।
हाँ वो सुबह गलत था, मैं जस्ट बारे में डिस्कस कर रहा था. So listen guys, I will be while throughout the session so that English medium student can interact in English or Hindi medium student can interact in Hindi. Okay, okay. So मैंने जो सुबह बताया था ना, उसमें थोड़ा सा मिस्टेक था जो मैं अभी करेक्ट करा दिया है इंग्लिश, तो मैं हिंदी में बता दिया. ठीक है, चलो. So I'm going to solve this one. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Okay, fine. This is our A. We need to find the A inverse. So we just need to find determinant of A and adjoint of A. A11, A12, A2, A12, A21, A22. Simple. And we need to calculate the inverse of this. Sorry, determinant of this. So first I am going to find the determinant of A. It is simple, 4 into 1 minus 3 into 2, which is 4 minus 6, which is minus 2. Okay, this is very simple calculation. Now A11, A12, A21, A22. See, minus 1 plus 1 plus 1, minus 1, 1 plus 2, minus 1, 2 plus 1, minus 1, 2 plus 2. Okay, 1, A11. First row, first column. Left, this is 4. Here, 4 will come. Here, this, 3 will, minus 3 will come. Here, 2, 1. This minus 2 will come. Here, this, 1 will come. Put it here, determinant of A, which is minus 2. Here, A11, A12. A11, 4. A12, minus 3. A21, minus 2. A22, 1. Simple. Now divide by minus 2. See, 4 minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 3 by 2, minus 1 by 2. Okay, this is minus 2 plus 1. Fine. C minus 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Okay, now what you need to do, you need to calculate the determinant of this equation. So how you guys going to calculate it? Sorry, minus, this is plus. Okay, just because 1 minus is over here, 1 minus is over here, minus cancel out, it is 3 by 2. Okay, so see, I want one more blank page so that yeah. So what was our equation? This minus 2, 1, 3 by 2, minus 1 by 2. Minus 2, 1, 3 by 2, minus 1 by 2. Minus 2, 1, 3 by 2, minus 1 by 2. Yeah, fine. This is our A inverse. Now we need to calculate the determinant of A inverse. So how we will calculate? Just minus 2 multiply minus 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2 into 1 minus 2. This is cancel out. This is minus minus plus 1, 3 by 2. Simple. 3 by 3 minus 2 minus 3 by 2, which is minus 1 by 2. This is your final answer. And in the morning session, what actually happened, I was solving this correctly. I didn't make any mistake. Even I allowed the formula is also correct. But at the end, I simply calculated the determinant of this minor. I didn't add this part. That's why your answer was coming minus 2. But your correct answer is minus 1 by 2. Option number default tally is correct. Morning. So your doubt is clear? Yes or no? Vikas, Mahesh, Abhishek.
सर A11 A12 ये माइनस के पावर 1 प्लस 1 है, उसको थोड़ा एक बार रिपीट.
Sure. See. See. 1, 3, 2, 4. Okay, because see, if we are calculating A11, first row, first column, this one you need to hide, this one you need to hide. Just write the remaining element. If you are going to calculate, see, I want one more blank page where it is. Okay, see, I am taking random matrix. Okay, if you want to calculate A11 minus 1, 1 plus 1, just take first row, first column, leave it, hide it, and write the remaining element, which is 4 only. Minus 1, power of even, it will become even, that's why only 4. Then if you calculate 1, 2, it means minus 1, 1 plus 2. This is 3, which is even. That's why I am adding minus over there. And A12, first row, second column. Remaining element is 3. Write it here and add this power. According to that, take minus or leave the minus. If even power, then leave the minus. If odd power, then take the minus. This is what. Understood? Because
नहीं सर, 4 कैसे आ गया नहीं समझ आया.
okay. See. Wait. And the focus over here, because 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes.
I am saying to you, calculate A11. First row, first column. You need to hide this complete row. You need to hide, or this complete column you need to hide. Now
समझ गया सर.
tell me which element is remaining. Okay, good.
4.
Okay, so yeah, this is what I'm doing. Okay, now let's move to another question. Yeah, solve it. This is from the probability and easiest question. You need to make the sample space little bit bigger and you need to calculate it. Take 2 minutes. 2 minutes is more than sufficient for such kind of. I will take this class till 9 p.m. only. So do little bit fast so that we can solve as many as question possible. As many as question possible. As many questions possible. Say anything here. Anyone? B. Okay, because V. What about others? Okay, so I'm going to solve. You guys can also solve or comment your answer. No issue. So in this question, what they are talking about, two unbiased dices are loaded simultaneously. Find the probability that the sum is a perfect square. Perfect square. Sum. Okay. If we are tossing two coin. Okay. Okay. Sorry, two dices, not coin. Sorry, dices. So what our sample space will become? Okay. So see, one dice. How many outcome can possible? One can come two, three, four, five, six. Right. If we are throwing two dice, in one dice, six outcome is possible. So if we talk about two, that means 36 outcome is possible. 36 kind of thing may happen. Okay. See. So what they are asking? They are asking find a probability that the sum is a perfect square. That means we need to create our sample space. I'm just writing everything just because I'm explaining. But whenever I will sit in exam hall, eh, and suddenly I find this question in my exam, so I will solve it directly. But here I am explaining you guys. That's why I'm making and I'm doing all these things in depth or in detail. Okay, so first I'm going to create a sample space. Then I will find what we want. Okay, so see, in one dice, we are throwing or tossing or load two dice simultaneously. Okay. So see, if one came on one dice and at the same time one came on second dice as well. If one came in first dice and two came in second dice and so on. 1 3, 1 4, 1 5 and 1 6. Fine. Same. If two came on first dice and one came on second dice. Two came on first dice, two came on second dice. These are the possibilities I am talking about. Okay. Okay. Now I am filling it directly. So I am expecting that you guys understood what I am writing over here. Okay. 3 2, 4 2, 5 2, 6 2, 3 3, 3 4, 3 5, 3 6, 4 3, 4 4, 4 5, 4 6, 5 3, 5 4, 5 5, 5 6, 6 3, 6 4, 6 5, or 6 6. Okay, this is our sample space. And what is the what the formula we can use? What we want, what we want divided by everything, whatever we have. Okay, so our sample space this. Okay, this is how much these numbers are, these possibilities are 36. Out of 36 we need to find how many pairs are perfect square after adding them. Okay, if we are adding 1 plus 1, it's 2. It is perfect square of anything? No. 3. 3 is perfect square of anything? No. But 3 plus 1, 4. 4 is perfect square of 2. 2 square 2, which is 4. Right? So first we find this. 5 is perfect square of anything? No. 6 is perfect square of anything? No. 7 is perfect square of anything? No. Only one possibility is over here. Okay? Now see. 2 plus 1. 3. 3 is perfect square of anything? No. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 is perfect square of anything? Yeah. 4 is a perfect square of 2. 5 not. 6 not. 7 not. 8 not. Okay. 4. This is again perfect square. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 again perfect square of what? 3. 5 not. 6, 7 not. 8, sorry, 6 not. 7 not. 8 not. 5 plus 4, 9. Again, this is the perfect square of 3. 10 no. 6 not. 7 not. 8 not. 9. This is another perfect square of 3. 10 not. 11 not. 7 not. 8 not. 9. 6 plus 3. What? 9. 9 is perfect square of 3 is the perfect square of 9. 6 4 6 5 6 6 not. See. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Only 7 pairs are available which are perfect square of any number. Okay, just like 4, 2's square is 4. So what we can say? Perfect square of 4 is 2. Okay, or total out sample space or everything what? 36. Yeah. Obviously, we need to find our answer from the 36 possibilities only. Na? Yeah. So 36 is your total possibilities. Out of 36, 7 possibilities which are perfect square of any number. Okay. So your correct answer will be 7 by 36. Option number A. Is there any doubt to anyone or understood? Vikas, done. Abhishek, Mahesh. Okay, sir. Okay, fine, fine. Move ahead. We are going to solve numerical type. Mm, I'm going to leave so many questions over here just because this is one of the easiest question. I will cover each and every question, but for now, I want to discuss some important question. Yeah, solve this one. This one is also a good question. Take time, take 2 minutes for this. Firstly, what I'm doing, I'm covering all the important questions from the slides. Firstly, after that, in tomorrow's class, I will cover all the remaining questions. So don't worry about the question. I'm not going to be going to left even a single question. I will cover each and every question. Okay, but I'm just solving the question according to my sequence. Only most important or IMP question I'm discussing. If you guys are not able, sir, I can't. Okay, nice. No issue. What about others? Because okay, fine. Okay, I'm going to solve it. Fine. See, there are sequence of terms given to you that log n plus 5, 6 n 1 by 3, 7 n plus 6, 8 n square plus 7. Okay, this question is taken from the algorithm and we are talking about time complexity in terms of big O kind of thing. Okay, uh, in which order we need to arrange these equations? You need to arrange these expression from lowest to highest. Which one is lowest or which one is highest? See, this function is what? Polynomial n square. This is what? Linear, only n. So you can see the and listen one thing which is most important. Listen carefully. In algorithm, here we are interested in growth of the function. Growth of the function. What is the what is meaning of this line? This line meaning is simply that we are just checking any function how rapidly growing, how rapidly it is increasing the value of anything. Okay, if you are seeing, see one example, 2 4 8, 2 power of 4 16 32, 64, like that you can take 128, like that. Okay, this function is increasing by the square. Okay, you are doing now 2 power of 2, 2 power of 3, 2 power of 3. This is very fast function. If you will do 2 power of 10, how much it is? Around 2 10 4. This is also slowest, but there are many other functions which grow very fastly. Okay, so we are interested in growth of the function. So we need to arrange this function in their fastest growth. If any function grows slowly, it will come first. If any function grow fastly, it will come at the end. Okay, just because they are asking the sequence lowest to highest order. Okay, so see, logarithm function is always slowest function. You can keep this thing in mind. Logarithmic slowest. So here log n, slowest function, n square. You are, if you will take the value of 10, n equal 10, put in this equation n or n square, which one is greater? You will say n square is greater than n. Obviously, n 10 or 10 square, which is 100. Obviously, na, we are not interested talking about the constant. We just ignore all the constant. Okay. See, so over here, first we are cleared with that explanation number 5 will have fastest growth. Okay, so it will come at the end just because it is polynomial function. Okay, so see, now check the option where at the end of the answer we need to check 5 is available or not. Here 5 is not available, so this is not possible. Okay, only now we are left with 3 options, A, B, C. Okay, see, now we need to compare these functions just because the growth of the linear function is always greater than the logarithmic function. These two are logarithmic, these two are linear, this is polynomial. Okay, so polynomial is greater than linear or linear is greater than polynomial, sorry, logarithmic. Okay, so see, here this one is setted, this one is setted, this one is setted, and in second position 7 and plus 6 will come. So this one is also correct, this one is also correct. Okay, and all 3 options they already given. Okay, fifth, fourth. Okay, now we need to check remaining options. Okay, remaining function for getting the correct answer. Okay, 4 4 4 4. Now see, after these two functions, this function will come just because this function is linear. So this option is eliminated just because they are saying second function, this function has higher growth than linear function. This is not possible. This is not possible. Okay, so that's why this option is eliminated. So now we are left with option number A or option number D. Now see, we need to compare these two functions. Okay, so see, here If you want to check which function is greater between this function and this function, just put the value of n as highest as possible, as larger as possible. Put n बराबर 10 to the power of 10. Put in both the equation and compare. You will get the answer. Which one is greater or which one is, you will get. Just put in place of 10, in place of n, 10 to the power 10 and solve it and compare the word function. You will get this one is greater than this one, first one. So what will be our sequence? Our sequence will be like log n is smaller, then log n plus 5, then 6n 1 by 3, then 7n plus 6, then 8n square plus 7. That means our option number A is correct, and this is the correct sequence of this escalation. This is the smallest, this is greater than this one, this is greater than this one and this one, this is greater than this one and this one, and this is greater than last of all. Okay, understood or not? Kindly acknowledge me. A, Vikas, correct. Fine. Thanks, Mahesh. These are slowest. Okay, finish. This PDF is finished. In this, can I discuss any other question? Yeah. See, read it and answer it. This is the easiest question. You can answer it. That's why I'm discussing this one. Otherwise, I'm going to left it. I will cover it in the end, but I can discuss, no issue. Today, I'm going to cover all the numericals. After it, I will cover all the theory questions like that in a single lecture. Comment fast. This is easiest, yeah. What you guys are doing? Because no. Okay. They are asking which of the following is false. See, bubble sort is in place sorting algorithm. This is the universal truth. Bubble sort is in place sorting algorithm. Must sort as a time complexity of n log n. Yeah, this is also true. In best case, worst case, and average case, the complexity of merge sort is log n. Okay, fine. This is true, no doubt. Now you confused in between these two options. In place sorting algorithm does not require extra space and produce the output in the same memory that contains the data. This is also correct. Option A is also correct. That means option B is long false. That means your answer is option number B. Just because quick sort is a stable sorting, no, not all the time quick sort is stable. That's why this option incorrect. Sorry. Got it? Because A. No, because A is not correct.
इन प्लेस से और आउट प्लेस से एल्गोरिथम क्या होता है?
इन प्लेस सॉर्टिंग इन प्लेस में क्या होता है जो सॉरी I need to explain in English only. What actually happen in place? The order of the element will be preserved. Like, see, after the performing, see, there is a list of element 2, 3, 3, 4. If this 3 came first now, so we will keep this 3 in first position. After this 3 will come. This is called in place sorting. stable, or what I can say, in place. In place is another word also. We can say like those algorithm which take log and time. Okay, logarithmic time for to performing the sorting. This algorithm call in place, I guess.
A stable sort means sir?
Stable, the order of the element will be preserved like this. This key came first, so you will keep it first position. This key came last, so you will keep it last position. This key will never come before this three. This three. Got it? Or in place sorting are those sorting which take logarithmic time to perform the operation. Kind of. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Fine. See, you guys can solve this one also. Solve it fast. This is also this is from DBMS. I think D. Okay. See, which among the following is not necessarily essential condition for third normal form? Okay. In first normal form, your table must be single valued attribute. Must have single valued attribute. Okay. Single valued attribute. In second normal form, no partial dependency. No partial dependency. In third normal form, no transitivity dependency. Okay. So in multi-value dependency, we talk about in fourth NF. In fourth NF. So this is not the essential condition for third NF. So option number D is correct. Okay. Partial dependency means any non-prime attribute is like that. This is the prime attribute or this is the non-prime attribute. This is called partial dependency. Prime attribute are the part of candidate key, or non-prime attribute are those attributes which are not part of candidate key. Okay, this is called partial dependency. Okay, this is Telegram group. You guys can join it anytime from anywhere. Or can I? Okay, this thing I will discuss in my theory class only. This is also Lafreniere integrity constant between two tables. This is easiest. You can answer it because I'm expecting right answer from you guys, buddy.
Foreign key.
Okay. Yeah, obviously. Option number B. Two table Lafreniere integrity managed by constraint between two tables is following key, obviously. Like this. Option number B is correct.